Hi everyone, you're welcome back. Oh, wherever you're watching me from, be it my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, you are welcome. So in today's video, I want to show you a list of products I use to activate my coils. Yes. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because I had a lot of my fans sending me inbox, asking me loads and loads of questions to list the products I used in activating my coils. They said they could not see it very well on the video. Yeah, if you've not watched the video why I activate my coils, so you can check the link down below, or you look at the card flipping up here to watch the video. The video activator. So this is one of the products I use. Yeah. So I'll drop the picture here so that you can see it very well. So what I noticed about this product is it's not so thick. At the same time, it doesn't form like residue on your hair, unlike some other. It's more like a gel, at the same time a coils activator. So unlike some gel, when you use it on your hair, it's kind of like when it dries off, so it forms some like a residue, like a white stuff. You see some white stuff on your hair, so you can't really like it. Yeah, but you can use only this to activate your coils. So there are other products I also add with it to activate my coils, which I'm also going to be listing after this one. So how much did I get this product? I got it for like let's say $2. I got it for like $2. So depending on the online store you're buying it from, so you may get it for $2.50, you may get it for $1.80. so it all depends on where you're buying it. So for me, I got it for like $2. Well, I say $1.90 something, but just roughly $2. Yeah. So this is how it is. It's so light. It's a transparent color, so it's very like, it's not so thick. Like I said, what I love about this product is it doesn't form residues on your hair when it dries off. So that is why I like it. So it's a go for me every time, any day. So now let's jump to the other product that I used. The other one I used was Miracle Leavein Conditioner. I didn't review this product, so I'm also going to leave the picture here so you see it very well. I did not review this product. Why? Because I think in between I cut my hair, so I could not review this product, because there are some things I experienced about this product I liked. Yeah. So what I experienced was that it's so light on your hair, it's not so thick. Yes, it helps, makes your hair not to tangle. Yeah, because after you coil your hair, so sometimes when you want to loosen it up, you kind of find problems. Like it can be so stressful losing your coils. So that is where this Miracle Conditioner comes in, because it's so light on the hair. At the same time, it's kind of like doesn't make your hair freeze, like making it to tangle so much. So it makes it easier for me to lose my coils even without washing it. If I just want to comb it out, I can easily do that because I added this. So if I didn't add this to it, so I find that it's difficult for me to comb my coils out. So that is where this Miracle Leavein Conditioner comes in place, and it's very light. Is very light. You can see it's very light, and it's not heavy. It's not heavy. So if you are relaxed hair sisters, this is perfect for you, because when I was relaxed, when I had my relaxed hair, I use this always. It helps straighten my hair. So perfect if you are relaxed hair sisters, if you're also a natural hair sisters. So it's perfect. It's perfect for both hair type and any hair texture. So perfect for that. So now let's jump into the third one. So guys, the other product I use is Hawaiian. This is it, Hawaiian Silk. So the reason why I add this to the other products I use to activate my coil, because it's also a coil activator, but this time is a creamy coil activator, unlike the gel that is a coil activator. I use the gel so that to make the hair harden up a little bit when it dries off, and also I use this one as a cream activator to also support the gel to activate my coils. And also this Hawaiian is also a 14-in-1 hair protection. 14-in-1 hair protection. I don't know if you can see it. I think my camera kind of like, so I'll drop the picture here so that you can see it very well. It's a 14-in-1 hair protection. It has a lot of things, helps to define your coils. Like I said, that is why I use this. Also a coil activator, and it helps to repair your hair. So for relaxed hair sisters, if your hair is damaged, over processed, you can also use this. And also goes for natural hair sisters. If you've over processed, like when I mean over process your hair, maybe like if you try to straighten your natural hair and you kind of feel like your natural hair is not going back to to the factory reset. Let me put it that way. It's not going back to factory reset. So you can also use this to support it, to make it define back to its usual. That it has so many lot of things that it does, but the reason why I love it was because of it is a coil activator, and also helps to repair your hair. If you overstress your hair from maybe like style, you overstyle your hair and your hair is feeling so stressed out, so you can use it to like repair it. So let me just get all the stuff it also do. It also helps for weaves and braids, so you can also use it for your weaves and braids. Yeah, but I won't recommend that because it's going to make like too many products on your hair, except you're the type that washes your braids good and fine. You can use it on your braids, but if you don't wash your braids, I'll prefer you use like just use a very light oil on your hair. So how much did I get this product? I got this product, like, it's been a long time. I got this. It's like 8 months, if not 9 months since I got this product. I think I got it for like $4, $3 or $4, I can't recall, but it's not less than $2. It's kind of like expensive. Yeah, this product is expensive. It should be more than $4, but I can't recall how much I got it because it's over 9 months, more than 9 months since I got this product. So it's a very nice product. You can look it up online. There are a lot of online stores that sells this product. You can always get it there, and it's very durable in the sense that you can use it for a very long time. Like I said, I got this product 9 months ago, if not up to a year. Yes, I got it a very long time, and I'm still here. So, and I use it almost like every 2 days. Yeah, so it's durable. So now let's go to the last product I used. Last product I used was hair wax. Yeah, so everybody know this product. Yes, like it's popular, like it's common out there. So what did I do with this hair wax? I used it to lay down the side of my hair, because then my hair was shorter than this, was low than this, so it was so low. So I used it to, like, maybe you're trying to style your hair, maybe you have a particular part that you just don't want it to like pop out. You can always use this hair wax to like lay it down. So it's very thick. It comes in different colors, so very thick. So when you take out of it, I think it's transparent when you take it out of it, but when you see it inside the container, it gives you a different color entirely. Very thick and perfect for your edges, but don't use too much of it. If you use too much of it, you kind of find out that it's forming this whitish stuff at the edge of your hair. So when I used it, I didn't use like too much. Yeah. And also something I noticed is when it stays on your hair for like some hours, it kind of like gets lightened up. Like it doesn't hold again. Like it doesn't hold your hair for like, if you want it to hold your hair for like 8 hours, 6 hours, definitely you're gonna get that. But I'm sure of 2-3 hours, maximum 3 hours, because there's a stage it will get to, start looking watery, like how your hair is gonna be feeling like so greasy. So sorry, what I noticed when I used it. So that is all the product I used. My hair wax and my coil activator gel. So these are the product I use. So guys, if you've been asking me on my Facebook page, because I got a lot of questions on my Facebook page, like the video I did in my YouTube channel is still like, it's not even up to 200 views, but on my Facebook page is running to like 5,000 views. Yeah, I got more views on my Facebook page. So if you still asking me question about the product I use, so these are the products. So they are available online. You can go online to search them, look them up. Yeah, look them up online. So I'm gonna drop the pictures. Yeah, so you can look them up online. They're available there. They are not so expensive. So to get everything, you will not spend up to like $20 to get everything. Maximum, let's say maximum $15-16 for you to get everything that I use on my hair. So guys, I'm gonna be making more videos on your short natural hair, how to care for your short natural hair, and I have a lot of other videos on my channel. So if you're not yet a subscriber, please, what are you waiting for? Hit the red button down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me from my Facebook page, check out my YouTube channel, and I hope you followed me on my Facebook page. So if you're watching me from my YouTube channel, please check out my Facebook page, and I hope you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Yes, subscribe, like my videos, share my videos, and check out my second YouTube channel. I will also drop the link in the description section down below so you can check it out. It's all about Africa fashion, Ankara style, display a lot of beautiful things I have there. Yeah, you will love it when you get there. Yeah guys, so that is all I have for my video today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.